Hi traders, Friday, last day of the week. All green days till now. Hope this one will remain the same. I just shorted VMW, as you can see here, at 114.71 at this pullback. It's not doing that great right now, but I do hope it's going to return to the lows. I'm also short JD, shorted it at 43.48. Also not doing so great right now at my entry price. Needs to come down. And finally, JD is making a move. I'm getting ready to cover 3,600 shares out of my 4,000. It is making the move I was hoping to. There we go. I have 40 cents now, a little bit more, almost 50, 60, and we're going, getting ready for my partial at any pullback now. Oh, come on, continue. Oh, this is looking good. Good, look at that. This is just absolutely amazing. And the pullback. Took my partial. A great trade in JD. That's my first winner today. VMW did well. I'm getting ready to cover. I'm like 60 or 70 cents in the money now. I don't want to see any pullback. Now there's a pullback. I think I got like 50 cents, but that's not bad. That's quite good. Actually up $2,500 in JD, and VMW just over 2,000. FL, I want to short it here as this reversal. I missed it, so now it pulled back up. I'm shorting here. Okay, I wanted to short it a little bit higher, but I missed it. I waited for it to come back up a little bit. JWN started with a huge gap down today, and I'm about to go long over 49.50. Now, when a stock is moving up with such a momentum, it's usually continuous. And that's a nice technical formation now, over 49.50. So I'm long JWN, and with the momentum, it should continue higher. It looks great. FL, I would like to add another 1,000 shares once it moves here under $40, which is no, actually did not move. Now it did. Okay, good. I'm short. I just added the 1,000 shares to my earlier 1,000 short in FL. Well, FL is not really doing much. I'm up on this recent 1,000 share, but I'm reducing my size now. It's just going sideways, but I'm just going to finish that with a profit on my first trade. Look at JWN. This huge momentum took it higher. I'm up like 60 cents now. About to take my partial. Now. Okay. You have to remember this kind of formations. When a stock is moving up from a gap down like that and moving in the direction of closing the gap, it usually will continue. Just look at the momentum. This is a momentum that usually continues. Let's see how my trading room members are doing today. Looks like we're all doing fine. That's the 5th consecutive green day for us. Oh, look at this number. This is great. Up $800, up $150, $600, $800, $9,100. Just amazing. Guys, you can join us too. Just click right over here on the top hand right corner and join us for a free 14-day trial. And I'm doing great too. 5th consecutive green day, all green trades today, and total is $4,400, and that, as you can see, happened in less than 30 minutes. Really had fun today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next week.
Thank you for watching my video. Do you have what it takes to become a trader? I would like to invite you to take my free trading challenge. If you succeed, I will fund you. You will get free access to a $14,000 trading account, which you can trade from home and earn 70% of the profits you generate. No risk, no cost. Just click here and join now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel here. If you have any questions, please use the comments below.